In this video, I'll be showing you how to get your first client on Upwork fast. Now, the only disclaimer here is you as a freelancer must know the skill which you say you know. That's the only thing you need to do, and follow this video step by step, and I'm sure you will get your first client on Upwork very fast. Now, there are some people having problem getting signed up with Upwork. Why is that? The reason is simple. Upwork gets tons of requests for freelancers every single day. Now they are not going to let in every Tom, Dick and Harry. It's simple. They don't want bad apples in their team. So if you having the problem, and guess what, I too had that problem when I first started. I got multiple times rejected, and then I found out a simple step. Alright, it's very simple. People charge 20, 50 and sometimes 100 to do that, to get approval from Upwork, and you are not going to pay me anything. Alright, just tap the red button below, subscribe with the bells on, and then put in the comment section that you need that how to get approved, and I'll be happy to let you know. Alright, so that's the only thing you need to do. For people who have an account with a skill, let's hop into today's video. So the first thing you need to do is work on your profile description. Why is that? When you submit a proposal, the first thing the client will do is come and check in your profile. If your profile doesn't make them go want to work with you, guess what, they are gone. Now most freelancers have only 2-3 lines. That's it. They don't take time and tell the clients why the client need to hire you. As you can see here, I have a detailed manner in profile description. Everything is there. First is these 2 lines paragraphs. How can I help you? And then why hire me or freelancers? I am not giving a damn option for them to leave me. Alright, everything in here makes them interested and get attracted to what I do. Alright, the first thing you need to do is specify what you do. Now you don't need to be a freelancer who says that I know 50 to 20 skills. UI design, yes, I'm great. High ticket closer, yeah, I'm great at it. And iOS developer, man, I'm killing on it. No, you need to select something, not everything. Alright, for me, if you take me example, I have a skill high ticket closer. For people who don't know who a high ticket closer is, a high ticket closer closes premium packages. Alright, for my clients, if my client has 10k 20k packages, I will sell them over the phone. Alright, and then Instagram marketer, as you can see here, I will generate leads for my clients and then close them without my client having to spend a dime on ads. Basically, I'm saving my clients ads spend, and I'm generating leads as well as closing them. Alright, and then I have shown what can I help you. Alright, and then why hire me over other freelancers. Alright, everything listed very clearly. Now I am going to share with you 2 tips. Alright, very simple, but always remember, how you do anything is how you do everything. So tip number 1, the first 2-3 lines of your profile description makes the difference between you getting approved or not. Alright, for first 2 to 3 lines must be the pain point of your dream clients. For me, example, as a high ticket closer, I'm saying to my clients, are you struggling to keep up with your leads? Yes, they are struggling with keeping up the leads, and that's why they need to hire a high ticket closer. I have grabbed their attention. Alright, that's the pain point. So you need to do what skills you are in. So find out who our dream clients is and put in the pain points in the first 2-3 lines. Alright, that's the first tip. The second tip is, after you have done shown all this, how can I help you, why hire me, you need to send them a call to action. Message me, email me, something. Alright, so in this case I am saying that please contact me. Alright, so make sure to put a call to action, and the first is a pain point. So that's it with profile description, but make sure to spend some time and work on your profile description. Alright, so this is the first step you did. The second step is finding the correct job. Alright, for this example, I am going to search for Instagram marketing because that's one of my skill. Okay, if I have to go search for a job for myself, what I will do is I will click on that job. If I think that I can do that, the first thing I need to do is scroll all the way down and see that my profile matches the client's criteria. Alright, this is very key. If I don't scroll all the way down, okay, I read this description, need to hire 2 freelancers, blah blah. Okay, and then I come down the client might say that, and most of our clients, they prefer to hire freelancers in their same country. If I am from Australia and the client say that I need only citizens of USA, okay, I read this, okay, and I come down and shit, the client wants freelancer from USA. All right, I have wasted so much time. And I'm getting excited about this. Yes, man, I can do this. Yes, entry level. That's what I am. Yeah. And if I scroll down, shit, man, it's only for US citizens. So make sure the first thing you need to do is come down and see whether you match the criteria. For this example, I match this criteria. Okay, that's the first step. The second step is, as you can see here about the client section, have their payment verified. What that means is, have they spent money on Upwork? For this client, yes, it's payment verified. And the third thing is how much they have spent. Alright, $200 plus. That's not very bad because they have joined only last month. That's it, last month. So 1 month they have spent $200 plus, 4 hours and 3 active. This client looks very good for me, and I have matched the criteria, and then the client looks very good for me. And then the connects, for people who don't know what connect is, as you can see here, require connects to submit a proposal, it's 6. Basically Upwork gives you 20 connects, and you cannot if you take before, you can play around with all the jobs. As you wish, you can play around with all the jobs, applying like crazy. Now what it does is, it's a happy news for you, but on the other side it's very frustrating for the client, because receiving hundreds of resume, the client gets frustrated in choosing the right freelancer for them. So what Upwork does is, they change the system. They give every freelancer 20 connects. That's it. If you exceed 20, guess what, you need to buy connects is 15 cents. Alright, so what this does is, nowadays freelancers are very selective in applying jobs because they have got only 20 connects, and the client is also happy because they are getting freelancers which are interested in them, and they are more likely to hire freelancers, and this is an easy way. Now you cannot play around, so make sure to post on jobs which you think that you can have a chance to get hired. Alright, the connects is very important. Now if you are entry level, my suggestion for you is go for entry level only, because if you are entry level and you go see a job and apply for expert job, guess what, your approval rate is almost impossible. Why is that? If you see this ad, this job, it's only less than 5. You as an entry level, this is great. Now let me show you another thing which is expert. Let's say this one, 5 to 10, similar. Okay, what I want you to show is, if the proposals are 15 to 20, you are not gonna go in that job. Why? Because there are already experts and intermediate level freelancers who can take over you, and you, if you apply this, guess what, your connects gets wasted. And trust me, your connects is a lifeblood on Upwork. If you go and waste it, guess what, you are not gonna get a job from Upwork, and guess what, at the end of the day, no money. Alright, as you can see here, this is what I said you. I read this one, yeah, I can do this, okay, I'll do this, and all the way down, boom, I cannot apply for this job. Alright, job success score, well, for people who don't know, it's basically you have done work in the past and you have killed it. Alright, if you killed it, it's 100%, and if you are not something ups and downs, it's 50, 60, like that, based on your results. Alright, so that's basically all you need to do. The first one is profile description, and the second one is click on the anything. First come down, see whether you meet the criteria of the client. If yes, go up, learn the description, read it, and see on the right corner, see about the client. Alright, this is not payment verified. Why? Because it's February 1. Now I will never apply for this job, because February 1, now it's months in the gap, and yet this client has not paid, so I will not apply for the job. And to the top of that, 6 connects. Absolutely not. And another cool tip which I want to share is, if you find a job, okay, that fits your criteria, and when you click on the submit proposal, in your proposal make sure you mention the exact word client says. All right. For this example, we are developing a new digital marketing agency and we're looking for highly qualified freelancers. What I will do is, yes, I work with startups of digital marketing agencies. That's what I do, and that's what I'm special in startup digital marketing agencies. All right. Use the words exactly client has said. That increases your percentage of getting hired. All right. Remember what I said? Simple things makes the great difference. How you do anything is how you do everything. All right. So make sure if you apply all these things and you as a freelancer have the skill, you really know what you say, then you will gonna get your client very fast. All right. Just apply this each and everything I showed you. You are gonna get your client. Right. Always remember, do not step back. Always just keep going.